Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of Samsung Level U2 wireless earphones. So you can see this is the box of Samsung Level U2, and if we see on bottom you can see Samsung Level U2 ergonomic and comfortable. And if we talk about the talk and music playback time, it has 13 hours talk and 18 hours music playback time, and it has 500 hours standby time. And you can see it has high quality and stable music play with 12 mm speakers and scalable codec. And you can see it has Bluetooth, and you can see the scalable audio codec provides stable Bluetooth sound and is compatible with Samsung smartphones and tablets using Android 7.0 or later OS version. Okay, and you can see Samsung Level U2 contains magnets. Okay, so now quickly cut the seal and open it up. So now seal is successfully cut. Now open it up. Okay, so guys, you can see this is the Samsung Level U2 wireless earphone. So here you can see. Okay, so here we get the quick start guide. Keep this aside, and this is the extra ear tips. And guys, this is the Samsung Level U2 wireless earphone. You can see. Okay, we remove it later. So you can see, guys, this is for wear longer, and I would like to say it is light in weight. You can feel lighter after wear it. You can see. So just wear longer and feel lighter. It is power for the long day long ahead. You can see. You can see it has a high quality sound and seamless play experience. You can see. And if we talk about here, so you can see here it has a USB type C charging port over there available. You can see this is the USB type C charging port, and here we have it is the volume up and down, and this is the multifunction, and this is the power on off button. And if we see here, okay, nothing over there available. Remove it. Remove this polythene. Okay, so here you can see, and guys, over there mic is available. You can see over there mic is available. Here you can see this is the mic. Okay, overall I would like to say this is looking good. You can see this is looking good, and if we talk about the weight, it feels very light. If we talk about its weight, it feels very light, and the good thing is it has magnetic ear tips. You can see it has magnetic ear tips. I would like to say it is very light, and you can wear it for a long time without any problem. So guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Level U2 wireless earphone. If you have any further question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.